Today I'll show you guys in a quick little video how to flat state your sheet metal parts, how to DXF your sheet metal parts. Very easy, very simple. There's 2 or 3 ways, and I hope this is helpful. Enjoy, guys. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt your video. I just wanted to ask you, please hit the like and subscribe button. It's going to make it easier for me to share my content with you guys in the future, and it will make it so that you don't miss anything. Cool. So obviously we got to start first by converting this to sheet metal. So we're going to applications, sheet metal. We're going to say shell. We're going to select this surface here. Say OK. Done refs. 2 mil. Say OK. And there's your box. Okay, now before we can go to our flat, we have to say bend. We're going to select these 4 bends quickly. Okay, so done sets. Edge rip, define, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Say okay. Done sets. Say okay. Now we have a sheet metal part that is now in pieces. Okay, so now there's a few ways to do this depending on what you need and what you want. So the first thing we can do is we can use our flat pattern. So we can click there, we can select there, and as you can see, there's our flat pattern. But now if you go start the drawing now, if I say new drawing and I say okay, empty with format, just empty is fine. Say okay. If I now go yeah and I insert my model, so if I right click here and I say insert general view and I click, okay, see it's giving me the flat as you see there. Okay, so there's no option, let me just say okay, yeah, there's no option for the bent and the flat state. Okay, so if I now go back, if I go back to my part and I suppress this, say right click, suppress, say okay, now it will be like that. Okay, so now if I go back to my drawing, now it's a box, you see. Okay, so but now how do you add the flat pattern? So if I want to do page 2 with a flat pattern, how do I do that? Okay, so we're going to go back to our model. We're going to say edit, setup, okay, flat state, create. Okay, you can give it a name or you can just use the generic name. We say okay. We say it's asking you now, please select current part state. So is it flat or is it fully formed? So we're going to say fully formed. Okay, now we need to define which surface is going to stay fixed. So if I fix this one, it's going to go flat this way, and because if I select this one, it's going to flatten it the way we just had it. Okay, if I say, let's say we say fixed geometry, okay, and we define, okay, now I want this one, not that one we just did, okay, and we do preview. As you can see, now that will be your flat state like that. So it's much of a muchness depending on the angle. Because this is 90 degrees, it's easy because now I just go front view and it will show me this. But if it's at an odd angle, you're going to have an issue. So we're going to go fixed geometry, define. We're going to select the center again like I did originally, and we're going to say okay. Okay, done. If you want to view your flat state now, if you go edit, you go setup again, you go flat state over here, you go show, going to ask you which one, because you can have multiple. You say that one. It will open it in this window, as you see here now. Okay, so this is now different. It's the same part, but it's a different open part now, because if I go window now, see, I've got my normal part there, I've got my flat part there. So obviously they're still related. It's still the same part, but they're just different states. So if I change something on there, it's going to change it on the other one. So if I put holes in here, it's going to change it on the other one. So they are connected. Okay, so now that we've got this one, okay, I'm just going to close this. Okay, we go back to our drawing. So yeah, our drawing. Now I've got the fully formed one here on page 1. Now I want the flat state, so I can indicate the pens and. So all I do is I right click, insert geometry, and I click. That's not what you want. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to say drawing models, say add model. You're going to select the same part. We just have to, okay, in session now. So there, say open. Okay, do not select, let me just show you this again. Go add model, go in session. Do not select that one, okay, because it's gonna mess you around. Okay, that's not what you want to do. It's not gonna open, it's not gonna work. What you want to do is you select the actual part and say open. Then it will give you the option here. So you want the normal one or you want the flat. Okay, so then we select the flat. We say open, say done. Okay, but it's not there. It is there, it's just not showing you because you haven't placed it yet. So what we're going to do, we're going to click, right click, insert general view, click, and there it is. Now you can select your view, you can select your display, as per all of them. Okay, then all we have to do is we can say close if you want to close, or what we can do is we can change the view type here. We want to go top, say apply. Okay, we're going to scale 1, say okay, apply. Okay, now we say view display, no hidden. So yeah, tangent edges display style, none. Say okay. We are going to right click here, say setup on our sheet, click on our format here, untick this show format and say okay. Now as you can see, there is no format in the middle there that was there before. Now this is perfect to DXF. So all we're going to do now is we're going to go to our publish tab up here. Okay, we're going to select DXF. We are going to zoom out. Okay, we're going to make sure this is scale 1 to 1. Scale 1, yes. Okay, you can also remove that. If you want to remove this, all we have to do is we go back to our annotate. We select this, we push delete, and we go back to our publish. We hit our zoom extents, zoom out. Okay, we select DXF here, not PDF but DXF, and we say export. Okay, we're just going to use this as our folder, it's fine. Say okay, and done deal. All you have to do now is email that DXF with your PDF with your dimensions to your laser cutter, and that's it. So that's how you take a part from a sheet metal to a flat and then to a DXF. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it's useful, and if you have any questions, put in the comments and I'll get back to you guys. Thanks guys. Hey guys, quick favor, if this video helped you, tap like. It tells YouTube my content is worth showing to more people. And hit subscribe if you want more quick tutorials, tips and real engineering tricks for Creo. More videos dropping every week. Have a great one guys.